Hello dear friends, in this video we will calculate the Gibbs free energy at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the Gibbs free energy, standard Gibbs free energy for the reaction and predict whether the reaction is spontaneous or not. Whether the reaction is spontaneous or not. So we find the spontaneity of a reaction by finding the Gibbs free energy. If Gibbs free energy is positive, reaction is non-spontaneous. So calculate the Gibbs free energy and predict whether the reaction is spontaneous or not. So reaction is given as 2A plus B. This gives 2D, and internal energy change for the reaction is this, and entropy change is this. So what is the formula of Gibbs free energy? Gibbs free energy is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So for calculation of delta H, we have to calculate delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT. So what is delta U? Delta U is equal to minus 10.5 kilojoule per mole. What is delta Ng? Delta Ng means number of mole of the gaseous product minus number of mole of the gaseous reactant. So all the reactant are gases. So this is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 means minus 1. So delta Ng is equal to minus 1. We put the delta Ng equal to minus 1, and R value is, we put the value of R in the joule, and in the joule it is 8.314 into 10 to power minus 3 kilojoule, because it is in the joule. This value is in the joule. So to convert it into kilojoule, because this unit is in the kilojoule, this comes out in the kilojoule. So enthalpy change comes out in the kilojoule. So here we put the value of delta U and delta Ng equal to minus 1, delta Ng equal to minus 1, and 8.314 into 10 to power minus 3 kilojoule into 298 Kelvin. So Kelvin cancel out by the Kelvin, and it become moles cancel out by the per mole. So delta H is equal to minus 12.978, and putting this value here, we get T is given, and delta S is also given. Delta S in the reaction, delta S in the reaction is given. So putting these value and calculation, we get this value as the positive value. So the reaction is non-spontaneous because standard free energy is positive. So I hope this is clear to you. If enthalpy change, if internal energy and entropy is given, then how we will calculate the Gibbs energy? So Gibbs energy, for Gibbs energy, delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S, and delta H equal to delta U plus delta NGRT, and by putting the value of delta Ng and delta U, we get delta H, and from the delta H we get delta G, and from this we get the direction of reaction, spontaneous or non-spontaneous. Thank you. I hope it is clear to you.